desde niño el rojo es mi color. Básquet Zaragoza, contigo estoy, lucharé a tu lado con mi voz. Aunque esté todo en contra, saldremos a ganar. Esta marea roja jamás se rendirá. Arriba Zaragoza, el cierto despertó y tu afición te escolta, los hijos de Aragón. Básquet Zaragoza es mi pasión, desde niño el rojo es mi color. Básquet Zaragoza, contigo estoy, lucharé a tu lado conmigo.
It feels good. Just to be able to lead the league in scoring, especially a great league like the Spanish league, and to be able to perform consistently throughout the whole year. I mean, it's an awesome and amazing feeling. And just like I said earlier, I give a lot of credit, to my coaches and my teammates, because I wouldn't have been able to perform well, without them. So this is collectively a team thing. I mean, it feels good. Just like I said earlier, to perform well and to stay healthy, especially in a great league like the Spanish league, to play at a high level and perform at a high level, and even to be in consideration, for winning an MVP, to even be in that talk, is an honor. And, it's just amazing. Like, I had a really, really great individual season, and, I'm extremely happy with the way I played. My future plans is to wake up tomorrow and catch a flight back to America and see my kids. Yeah. It's definitely, happy and excited. I finished my 11th year as a professional, healthy, no injuries, and I play well, so I have no complaints. I'm open to everything. I haven't sat down and talked with any teams, including Zaragoza, about my future. So right now, I don't know.